Hello, Nomad Sculpt and version 2.3. There's a new feature for the reference image to sync with the camera when you pan and zoom. So here, when the camera is locked through the corner cube, the reference will be synced with the camera movement. This is meant to be used with orthographic camera. So here, when you rotate the thing and pan, zoom, the reference image in the background always stays in position. So with version 2.3, it's possible here. When you lock the view, then it's possible to pan and zoom with a background image. So it stays in position. And make sure that the view is orthographic, not perspective, because perspective, you see here something happens. So orthographic view. So that's it. This is a very nice thing to align the sculpt with a reference image. So a nice feature. That's it. Have fun with sculpting.